installing this unit from West Kiss Hair. The lighting really isn't the best right now, but I think I can, you know, put something together for y'all so I can do the review. But I'm gonna just make sure that I use my Got to Be Glued, or actually just like a wig adhesive spray. And I'm gonna use that on this hair. This is a close-up of how the lace is looking. West Kiss has some really good lace. Yeah, we're gonna go in and just make sure that this looks good. Move some of this hair. Gonna pin it up. Okay, I'm gonna wait a little bit and then we're gonna try to style this and see how it looks. I think I'm gonna just honestly put some water and hair mousse. I've already kind of flattened it at the top, and then see what I can do with this. I'll be right back. And then gonna make some baby hairs on the side. Now I'm gonna let this down. Okay, so it's time for the review part or portion. I think this looks really good, honestly. Not sure if y'all can see. Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm back with a new video and I'm wearing this unit right now from West Kiss Hair. They sent me this really pretty 13 by 4 24-inch lace front wig. This is 200% hair density, as you guys can see, and this is their undetectable HD lace skin melt transparent, and this is also in a cap size small, by the way. But yeah, they sent me a bunch of stuff in here. This is the box that it comes in with. I think this is like a nightcap. Yeah, this is a nightcap. I wanted to like lower the lighting. I've already, you know, used a hot comb at the top and it stays pretty flat. They sent me a little edge brush, some lashes, and oh, this is in like an HD wig cap, 2 pieces. And then it obviously comes with, I'm gonna need this, but this is just to lay your edges down and everything, and also the West Kiss bag. So yeah, it comes with all of that stuff. I really didn't have to do too much as far as laying the lace down because this is a really high quality lace. This is how the lace is looking. But other than that, unless you get too close, you can't really see anything. And I'm right in front of the natural light as well. So this is really pretty. I think as far as its stretching, it goes obviously down to my waist. This is definitely 24 inches. And this is how the hair looks from the side. And then this is how the hair looks from the back. It's extremely, extremely thick, so there's a lot of hair going on here. It's really, really curly, and honestly, like the lace itself, I'm really happy that it's a 13x4. It goes back this far, and literally the way that the knots are bleached, I really appreciate that. I could put it in like a side part if I wanted to, but I'm gonna leave it in the middle part right now. I could flatten this more as well. The fact that the West Kiss wigs, they lay down really flat. I've worked with them like years ago in the past, and I've noticed that their wigs don't lift up on me. So however they make it, they lay down pretty flat without you having to really do too much to it. So it looked extremely natural. And I will say the pre-plucking for these units are amazing in comparison to other wigs. I've had to go in and pre-pluck it myself or pluck them myself, but literally I'm gonna have to kind of go in and make sure this lays down flat, or maybe add some more like darker foundation. But just check out how natural like these sides look. So yeah, and right now, by the way, this is dry. So y'all saw the other part of, you know, this video, I made it wet, but I kind of prefer it to be obviously drier, and it has like a more kinkier hair texture, but it doesn't, it's like it's not like crazy big to the point where you can't manage it. Okay, 200% density, 13x4, and this is her 24-inch. The price of this is going to be $390.28. And again, this comes in the middle part, but you can go ahead and put it as a side part if you want it, because again, the lace is extremely realistic looking. There's no like parts where one part is plucked more than the other. It's pretty evenly done throughout the entire unit. So you have the freedom to do that. And they also include Afterpay on the website. So if you want to split this into 4 different payments, you're totally welcome to. And I feel like it's a good price, but you can wear this either wet or curly. I obviously prefer, wet or dry. I obviously prefer dry, but I did put some hair mousse in this as well as some like leave-in conditioner, and it made the wig look really pretty. I don't think there's anything else that I have to say about this wig. The lace material is a Swiss lace, HG lace. You can also wear this glueless, so you don't have to put like a wig bonding thing on this. I obviously just use the wig spray like I usually do, but if you want to use a wig glue, you totally can as well, but you don't have to. So that's all that I really have to say about this unit. I hope that you guys like it, and I will talk to you later.